The answer to the previous post is 5. Contracts. Here is all you need to know about thermal's expansion and contraction. When almost all known solids, liquids, and gases are heated, they expand in size. This is called thermal expansion. This occurs when the surrounding pressure does not change. This occurs because as the particles are heated, they gain internal energy and they move more. When they do this, the volume, or overall size, of the object increases. The particles in gases and liquids move more freely than in solids, so their volume increases when heated. If the ball fits through the ring at room temperature, heat the metal ball. It expands and will then not fit through the ring. If the ball does not fit through the ring at room temperature, heat the metal ring. The ring expands and the hole in the center gets bigger. The ball will now fit through the ring. The volume of different solid materials expand at different rates. Pouring hot water on the metal lid of a jam jar can make it easier to open the jar. This is because the metal lid expands more than the glass jar. Rivets hold sheets of metal together. The rivet is heated up and hammered between two sheets of metal. The ends are then hammered flat. As the rivet cools, it contracts in volume and pulls the two sheets of metal tightly together. Liquid expansion. Like solids, liquids expand when they are heated, but because the bonds between separate molecules are usually less tight, liquids expand more than solids. The water level in the capillary tube is initially at A. When the water is heated, the liquid level initially falls to level B, before rising to level C and above. When the glass flask and capillary tube are first heated, they expand. This causes the volume of the flask to increase, and the liquid level falls to B. However, the liquid is quickly heated and starts to expand. It expands more than the solid glass, and so the water level rises back to A and then up to, and beyond, C. This shows that liquids expand when heated. Liquids expand more than solids. This is the principle behind liquid in glass thermometers. An increase in temperature results in the expansion of the liquid, which means it rises up the glass. The liquid used is usually alcohol or mercury. Gases expand. Gases also expand when heated. Molecules within gases are further apart and weakly attracted to each other. Heat causes the molecules to move faster, which means that the volume of a gas increases more than the volume of a solid or liquid. Once the flask stops being heated, it cools and contracts. This causes the liquid to be sucked up the tube and into the flask.
Don't forget to follow us for more video.